Alright guys, we're doing a tile and grout clean for our police department in Smithton. You see this grout is very soiled. We're getting it back to original state. We already did the carpeting area. Now we're doing the tile. We've got about a little over 1,100 square feet of tile. We're gonna clean, seal, and get it back to where it needs to be. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what the tile's supposed to look like, where we're gonna clean it, get hygienic, and look at this guys. So this is a police department in Smithton. We're taking care of it today, getting hygienic and clean, back to original state. As you can just see, the soil load that we're dealing with. And if you have this situation at your office or business, our police department, give us a call. Got you covered. We haven't pre-treated this yet, but look at that, guys. We'll get this back down to original state. And yeah. Stay tuned. And we also provided aftercare instructions, how to clean it, how to maintain it, so they can have their cleaners and janitors maintain it going forward until it needs to be done again. And typically speaking, in high traffic areas, we recommend quarterly or at a minimum every 6 months. And that will keep your floors hygienic, clean, and prevent premature wear, replacement, and things like that. So, and then we're going to seal the grout as well to help them out. And we already took care of the carpeting today. We did a VOM cleaning. This carpet looks great. And we're doing the tile. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, AOCleaning, we're doing it to it. Restoring this tile and grout back to the original state. We're in Smithton, Illinois today for a commercial client. Look at this, guys. Wow, before you floor it, let AO restore it. Wow. AOCleaning has you covered. Before you floor it, let us restore it. We're restoring this tile and grout back to the original state, making hygienic and clean for a commercial client. Smithton, Illinois. If you need this service, we got you covered. AOClean.com. Look at that, guys. You know the name. AO. Let's go. Big difference, guys. This turned out great. Hey, let's go. Yeah, buddy.